Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see what is mixed reality. In that mixed reality, we are going to see the topic on introduction to trajectories and hybrid space. So when it comes to a recap, we can see what we have studied already, in what way the immersive tech basis, AR, VR, MR, all these techniques has been used. And here I have given a scenario. You just go through it. In what way this uh, spatial has been very much important in this immersive technology. What is a trajectory in mixed reality? What is trajectory in mixed reality is the path users or any digital objects. But that means, so when we are having a virtual reality, we have to see the space, how much it takes place, in what way the physical and digital hybrid environments takes place, and users trajectory, object trajectory, and interaction trajectory, and cross reality trajectory. These are the users and types of trajectories. Now we when we go to user trajectory, movement of a user in hybrid space like walking. Okay, so when we are having a game like a virtual reality game, in that how a walking takes place, turning, looking, running, jumping, all those things takes place with the path users and digital objects. That is actually called as trajectory. When we go to a object trajectory, where the each and every object should not get merged with each other, it should have a distance between each and every object, so that has to be done. Whereas interaction, so when two persons are talking with each other in a virtual reality, we have to have few distance where they have to able to connect with each other, as well as some actions to be seen everywhere. And cross reality trajectory means a movement across a physical, digital, and augmented environments. In that way these things has been used. So what is a hybrid space? See, in this diagram we have seen few sensors has been kept, so that we can able to sense it, and we can able to find out the distance between how each and every things has been moving. So when it takes to a hybrid space, the blend of physical and digital layers where interaction occurs simultaneously, whereas in the form of it has few characteristics of spatial awareness, like slam and sensors, digital content to real surfaces, dynamic adaptive layouts, and shared experiences. So in this way the hybrid space takes place, where let's have a comparison. Why trajectories matter in mixed reality? Why it is more important in mixed reality? Why? Because we should ensure the movement. As I said before, the movements like jumping, walking, all those physical movements should be where we are doing it should come under the digital way. So it should have an interaction between the virtual as well as the reality. So we should have the trajectories. And also for the safety purpose and accuracy based, immersion based, this is used. So it should also connect with multiple devices. So multiple devices also much more needed, right? So that's where the trajectories is much more matter in the mixed reality. So here look into it, how we can design a hybrid space pathway, and have given few scenarios. You look into it and check it out with the answers. Now let's go with spatial computing layers. So we see in this picture we have all done these AI picture, where the reality, if you see in the augmented reality, some sort of doll or an object is staying near us. Okay, so that's augmented. It's a slam, it's a simultaneous location, it's a depth sensing, and also the environmental understanding for the spatial things. So in that way, so if we need some space between two communications, so that we have a virtual reality in the middle of the scenario. Next is the trajectory tracking techniques. In what way? What are the techniques that is used in trajectory, and what are the tracking techniques being used in spatial anchor, and in markless and based tracking, and also in multi-sensor fusion? These trajectory tracking techniques has been used to enhance the technology. Next we'll go to hybrid space management. So when it goes to hybrid space management, how it incluses with the handling, persistent, and digital handling. So finally, we are going to see the applications, in what way this trajectories and hybrid space is used in the AR, VR, and MR. So in the form of applications, healthcare, in surgical navigation, it is mainly used in the form of defense, and also in the form of retail. And nowadays in smart cities, in pedestrian, they have given these space, so that that is the hybrid space and the trajectories, so that the others can able to view and walk, and architectural wise, and also in AR VR related applications, entertainment based applications also it is used. So hope you all understood what is trajectories and how it is used, in what way it is used, and hybrid space is also more important for a mixed reality. Thank you.